Hello beautiful people, this is Gomez Kakuracha's channel and we're taking you to the beach in beautiful Oceanside, California.
We're at Oceanside Beach here in California early in the morning, the day before July 4th. It's a long weekend, still very early in the morning, so it's still foggy. But they're predicting sun and warm weather later today, so I'm sure it's going to be so busy later on. You can see some surfers all the way out there. Yep. As you can tell, the water is very cold because they're all wearing wetsuits. There's the Oceanside Pier out there, about a mile away. We are walking on the street called the Strand. We're right next to the beach. It's high tide, so there's not a lot of actual beach area where you can hang out. We are continuing on with our walk along the Strand in Oceanside. You can see a little bit of the beach now. Again, it's high tide. Here's the start of the beach, and still have a lot of walking to do because the pier is still out there. And we're going to be walking along this path. There's also some cars that drive along the coast, along the beach. It's one-way road. Look at all those surfers waiting for the perfect wave of the day. And over here you can see some people swimming now. I think they usually separate swimming areas from surfing areas to prevent accidents. The beach in this area is getting to be wider, so we'll see more people at the beach. A lot of people walking, and you see all these little houses. A lot of them are vacation houses where you can rent them for I don't know how much. All over along this narrow one-way street. Some people actually come here to fish. Never seen that before, so close to the beach. I know there's a lot of people fishing on the pier, but not this close to people swimming. Not sure if they catch anything. So it's getting a little busy because it's a long weekend. It's nice that I actually live very close to this beach. This is the closest beach to where I live. It's only about 7 or 8 miles away. But I should come here more often. I did during the pandemic. I'd come here like twice a week just to do my walk. It was nice that there was not a lot of people doing that time. There's a motorboat out there. Probably with lifeguards. I don't know, I can't really see it. Look and listen to those waves. There's a crazy Filipino playing in the water. It's so cold. Let's see if we can interview him. Surfers. Okay. We found a Filipino who's here and willing to be interviewed. Say hello to our kababayans.
Hello, kababayan! Welcome to Oceanside!
Where are you from, sir?
Daly City, California.
No, in
Philippines?
the Philippines, yes.
Caloocan.
Where in
Manila.
Caloocan? Manila. Say hello to your kapitbahays.
Hello, neighbors. Hello, chismosas. Hello.
What are you doing in Oceanside?
Visiting with my family and relatives. You know, spending time with my mom.
And where do you live now?
Where am I staying at?
No, where do you live?
I live in Daly City, California.
Where is that?
By San Francisco.
So do you have any messages in Tagalog to say to our dear relatives?
Kamusta mga kapatid, kamag-anak, kaibigan, pamangkin. Hello sa inyong lahat sa Pilipinas. I love you all.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Okay, thanks Ryan.
Thank you.
Look at all these people already set up for the day with their canopies set up, even though it's still so cold. They're anticipating a warm weather today, and it's also a long weekend. That's why we expect more people later on, especially when the sun comes out. Oh, there's Mr. David Hasselhoff rescuing someone. Baywatch. There's the lifeguard. Oh, I think he's just making sure that people don't surf in areas where there's people swimming. Coming back now, which is lifeguard station. Oh, and there's little kiosks where you can buy hot dogs and cold drinks. That's an old van and some Mexican snacks too. Oh, and here's a little playground area for kids here. Lots of slides, fun things for kids to do. I can smell barbecue. A lot of people actually do barbecue here. I think it's legal to bring your own barbecue and grill at the beach. Or they might even have grills at the beach available for the public to use. The lifeguards are going to be busy today. All the people enjoying the long weekend for the 4th of July. More little kiosks where you can have snacks. And we're going to go on that overpass that connects to the pier. We're going to walk all the way to the end of the pier. We're up the pier now, and you can see on the north side of the pier miles and miles of more beaches and more people. There's more surfers here too, and there's the pier. We're going to walk to the end of that pier and take a few videos here and there as we walk and enjoy this nice cool Sunday morning. A very common sight here on the pier, people fishing. And they just put their lines down there and they get fish, apparently. Down there, hopefully the fishing lines and the hooks don't get into those surfers or surfing down there. There should be a beach again. Look at all those hotels down there. There's the rest of the beach. I'm very, very lucky to be living in a place that's so close to something like that. It's like having a resort at your access anytime you want. I should really come here now. Rows and rows of people and fishing lines trying to catch fish here. Pier. There's more down there. Maybe I'll stop taking videos for now and catch up with the rest of my party. There's even a place called Bait Shop where you can rent a fishing rod for $8 an hour. That's a little steep. And they also sell bait.
That's a good one. I don't remember that one.
Brine. Here at the end of the pier now. There are a lot of people here, especially people who are trying to catch some fish. Okay, here's the Prime Box. I guess it's some kind of restaurant. Fast food place. You order what you want. From what I heard from people, they have very good fish tacos. I was hoping to interview a couple of the workers, but they seem to be very busy. Maybe we'll try later on. Here's another view of the northern side of the pier. Beach. I think the military base is way out there, right next to the coast. Yeah, a lot of hotels.
We are walking back towards the car now. We have to go back home soon because we're attending a barbecue / party later today. Bye for now, Oceanside. I'll see you again soon.
Yeah, understood.